Everyone thinks the best-selling ductless air conditioner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Black Plus Decker 9000 BTU Portable AC. First up is the Black Plus Decker Portable Air Conditioner. Priced around $299.99, this unit caught my eye with its 3-in-1 functionality. It's not just an air conditioner, but also a dehumidifier and fan. If you want a versatile cooling solution for your room, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Black Plus Decker unit stand out is its ability to cool spaces up to 400 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms or living rooms. The Follow Me remote control is a neat feature that allows you to get accurate temperature readings right where you are, so you won't be stuck guessing whether the room has cooled down. Its 5,300 BTU SAC rating means it's efficient and should keep your energy bills manageable too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those hot summer nights can be unbearable if your AC isn't up to the task and you don't want to wake up in a sweat. Now, some users have mentioned that the noise level can be a bit distracting, especially if you're a light sleeper. Here's the thing though, it's still much quieter than some window units, and it's portable, so you can move it to the living room during the day and your bedroom at night. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution to keep your space cool without the hassle of installation. Skip this one if you're looking for a fixed unit or need something to cool larger areas. It's a solid option for the price. Now, if the portability of the Black Plus Decker isn't your thing, the next product takes a completely different approach with its mini split design. Product number 2. Costway 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC. Next up is the Costway 12,000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heater. At about $559.98, this one's a bit pricier, but it offers both cooling and heating, making it quite versatile for year-round comfort. If you're after a powerful solution for a larger space, this is certainly worth considering. This unit can cool areas up to 750 square feet, which is perfect for open-concept living spaces. With a SEER rating of 20, it's energy efficient, meaning you won't have to dread those summer electric bills. The inverter technology helps maintain a consistent temperature without frequently turning on and off, which can extend the life of the unit. Plus, with 5 modes, cool, heat, dehumidify, fan, and auto, you can customize your comfort any time of year. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a system that adapts to your needs without breaking the bank on energy costs, this is a smart choice. However, some users have complained about the installation process being a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with HVAC systems. Here's the thing, though. The efficiency and performance of this unit far outweigh the initial setup challenges, and hiring a professional can ensure it's done right. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, all-in-one heating and cooling solution. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something simple. Overall, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces. Product number 3. Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Window AC. Now, let's talk about the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Window Air Conditioner. Priced at $159.99. This is a budget-friendly option that's perfect for smaller rooms up to 150 square feet. If you just need to cool a small bedroom or office, this could be the right fit for you. This unit features easy-to-use mechanical controls with 7 temperature settings and 2 cooling speeds, making it really straightforward to operate. It's also quieter than a typical refrigerator, so you won't even notice it running while you're working or sleeping. The dust filter is reusable, which is a nice bonus for easy maintenance. Here's why this matters. If you're living in a small space and want something effective without all the frills, this is an ideal choice that won't overwhelm you with options. However, keep in mind that it lacks some of the energy efficiency ratings of pricier models, so you might notice a slight bump in your energy bill if you run it frequently. Here's the thing. For the price, you're still getting a solid performer, and it's hard to beat that value. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, effective cooling solution for a small room. Skip this one if you want to cool larger areas or require smart features. It's a great deal for the price. If you like the window unit style but want something that offers a bit more innovation, the next product is worth checking out. Product number 4. Medea 12,000 BTU U-shaped window AC. Next on the list is the Medea 12,000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. This one comes in at around $509.99 and offers a unique design that blocks outdoor noise, making it ultra quiet. If you're sensitive to noise but still want great cooling power, this could be your go-to. The U-shaped design allows you to open your window, providing fresh air while the unit is in place. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, meaning you can control it with your phone or even through voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. This is huge for modern living, with a remarkable 37% energy savings compared to traditional units. It's also good for your wallet. Here's why this matters. If you want to keep your space cool without losing your peace and quiet, this unit's design is innovative and practical. However, some users found the installation a bit more complex because of the unique shape. Here's the thing. Once it's installed, the benefits in energy efficiency and noise reduction make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech solution that keeps your space quiet and comfortable. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler or on a tight budget. It's a great investment for the features it offers. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful and energy efficient, the final option on our list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Relitech Mini Split AC/heating system. Last but not least, we have the Relitech Mini Split AC/heating system, priced at $299.99. This unit packs a punch with 12,000 BTUs for both cooling and heating, making it perfect for year-round use. If you want a powerful solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. With a SEER 2 rating of 19, this model is designed to be energy efficient, covering up to 750 square feet. The multiple modes, cooling, heating, fan, and dry, give you options for any season. It also operates at just 42 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment while you enjoy your comfort. Here's why this matters. If you want a system that adapts to your seasonal needs while keeping energy costs down, this mini split system is a smart investment. However, it does require professional installation, which can be a deal breaker for some. Here's the thing. Once it's set up, you'll appreciate the performance and efficiency that comes with a mini split system. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, efficient solution for a mid-sized space. Skip this one if you're looking for something easy to install yourself. It offers great value for those willing to invest in installation. And that wraps up our picks for the best ductless air conditioners. To wrap things up, we explored 5 excellent ductless air conditioners: the Black Plus Decker Portable AC, the versatile Costway Mini Split, Medea's budget-friendly Easy Cool, the innovative U-shaped AC, and finally, the powerful Relitech Mini Split system. Each has unique features catering to different needs. So take your pick based on what matters most to you.